welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Sassy Shanna. We got
Sharkies.
and we got
Sophie.
yes, and we are the 7th squad. One around there, so she about to leave us because she ready and she had the driver, so you know what that mean. Anyway, we are here for the first not first, but the first live and direct vacation of 2022. Are you ready?
Hi, Captain.
So we're going to be there. Oh, let me show you our shirt. This is the front, right? All of us have our name, and the back. Come, Toby. Yes, our savage crew. Yeah, that's my modeler. So we're going to show you Lisa in a few. Okay. Hi, say hi to the vlog. Yes, that's the driver and the owner of the house.
The driver.
Oh, God. Turn around. Where the bird is she? And she's decked in her nice orange.
I'm hoping that eventually they'll stop spelling it wrong if I print it on every shirt I own.
Oh my God.
Because I'm like, enough of them, you can walk out of field care.
Tower Park. Ooh. It is so beautiful here. They take down the swing when we plan to swing, but anyway, we're taking some pictures. That's my crew. We're all in our shirt, as I told you this morning, and we're gonna have a blast. Look at my girls. Hey, savages. Say hey. Watch the next savage. The main savage now come out. Savage, savage, savage. Hey, savage. Oh my God. We can't believe the swing over anywhere. We're heading to the pond. So let's go. We are here live and direct to the pond. Can you see the fishes? Well, they don't put S on fish, so the fish are live and direct. I don't think that you're seeing it clearly. Oh my gosh, I hope you're seeing it now. Ooh. And the pond is amazing. I'm gonna take a picture sitting on this stone right here. I can see the beast. I swear, I can't wait to put on my bad cute. I know. Eh? Really? Why? Are you my sister? What you gonna do without me? We have arrived to the destination of the first tourism. The first tourist in St. Anne's vlog. Oh God, me a pay trouble me a go now. Anyway, so we're at the beach. We're going to enjoy ourselves at the beach, and then later on we're going to head on over to Sharkies for dinner. So that's my crew. When we look on the tuck shop and we plan for buy juice, so I lock up on my hat and thirsty. But anyway, this is calm and nice, and so we are going to enjoy ourselves today because we ain't gonna let nothing stop our show, right girls? Right. Alright, guys. To touch the water. And we're entering. And we're entering. This is what I like. Whooshy money. How do you feel, girl? How you feel in the water? How do you feel, Lacey Pool?
I feel wet.
So we just finished swimming and we're going to go. Where next to? Okay, we're going to the plaza to get juice
And hairpins
and
and stuff.
stuff.
And then we will head
Home. Peace.
I'm tired as hell.
And this is just day one.
I know, right? You know? See, I'm going to see me go pop down for the rest of the days. And this
We are ready to head out for our evening fun. Watch them. Watch them over this side. Hi. Yeah. Let's get on the road. Hi. Steamed fish.
But I'm starting with.
We're going to start with appetizer. So I'm having some fish soup. So let the eating
So
begin.
we just have to take one photo. The Insta body, they have you rough. This shrimp over here, and I don't eat shrimp, but it's over here.
And Lisa shall have shrimp, not me. Meanwhile, over here,
We miss.
let's see what we have here. Last time we come.
Points of information: sharkies on a food way too pepper. Like, what I think
Not
was
for
the
me,
not
Not for me. I'm great. I like pepper.
Why is that so?
I mean, like spice.
How about you, sweetheart? How are you doing over there? Milk people looking at your plate. Okay, why are you still eating pepper?
I'm not just thinking about it.
You're not gonna tackle it no more. Not tackle it no more, my friend. Me and I can't ugly pepper.
Almost full.
Now to the main event, the fish people, the
Get up in
fish.
a tree.
And the fries over here. What are you having, Nathan? Steamed fish to the body. She has strung up for what? I don't know. And what are you having?
I think for okra with one fish and curry.
She's so terrible. What are you having?
It's my favorite thing.
Our food not reach yet, yeah?
I eat ear pie.
Tell me I cost them all the fries because me not even know say me I get rice, you know. Lisa, you could tell me. You're terrible. Me never read it. But that's the excavation fish. Anyway, my sister is having that. And this is our juice for today, or dark green strawberry. Kay is having dirty banana. She's the driver, so she get no alcohol for her. Ladies and gentlemen, coconut water is for $227.96. And that. Then you better me go buy one coconut and not talk it truth. You know better me buy one coconut. Alright then. Coconut it is. We're heading into Starbucks. Oh my god. So I'm starting day 2 of the vlog. I totally forgot to start the vlog, but anyway, we just went to get a book bind at the, where was it? I don't remember. And then we went into Joseph. So now we're in the supermarket. We told that we have lost a tribe. We don't know where she gone. But anyway, we are just here to chill. Yeah. Oh no, I take up Korean juice. I take up the man Gatorade. Because me a park box it now for him when you get the money there. So anyway, yes, we are here and let's get on. We are going to go to the Prairie Beach after. So we just are chill. Guys, this little boo made a vow to us that she will talk to anybody who she sees. You know? Yes. And I'm going to show you the hunker over there. Alright, we can't show you. But there's a cute dude over there and this little fella. Are you going to talk to her? No. I'm shy. Pay up.
But we still have more days to go.
No, you said any day. I said, what? Alright, may I get her till tomorrow, people, tomorrow. Definitely buy one of these cups, but not today. We're gonna not buy it for today, but it's so nice. $1,500. If you want the glassier one, it's $1,600. I mean, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Would I actually buy this? Hello, gift idea.
Oh,
Gift idea. Just saying. And if you find this one, I'll definitely take this one for all those watching my vlogs. Or if you want to go up there and give me a hunker one, that's nice, yes. But I'll definitely take one, shall we? Alright guys, so for today's order we have strawberry cappuccino, but Shanaka is taking the almond milk because she's not working well with the natural milk. So almond milk for her body, and I'm gonna cheese it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And completing our order is $2,340. Yep. Thank you, sister.
Too close.
Thank you, sister. Oh, Jesus. Look at that goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Thank you for making it Starbucks.
Alright.
Guys, we are about to head to the beach. Yes. Right, Topi?
Yeah, beach girls. We are beach girls. We ready to go.
Yes. So we're going to the beach. We're gonna have fun. So I'm wearing a little dress with my back cute underneath. And we are going to head to the beach. See you at the beach. Guys, we're at the beach. I'm sure that I'll be swimming, but I'm at the beach. Girls, say hi. Say hi to the girls. Say hi. Yeah, so we're here the breeze. Not the breeze, no. Yes, the breeze is so nice. Look at that beauty. And Lisa nearly made me not come again about to bleach ugly.
I did not say that.
Joke should have said. I just love provoking her. Anyway, look for the white man down there. Yes. Hot girl style. This look like my outfit touchy water. I'm sorry. But anyway, see y'all in a few. Peace.
picture time. Guys, I'm not able to attend the beach right now. I mean, I'm not able to go into the beach right now. Having a little problem. What is going on down there? Are you okay? Hello? Hello? Anyway, their opinion, they're having fun and that's what matters. We live near to the beach, well, we're staying near to the beach at my friend's house, so we can come to the beach anytime. I mean, the beauty is nice. I'm loving the view all over. Let me zoom out so you can see the actual water. The view is nice. Sorry for my fingernails in the way. The view is nice and it's fun. People are here, not a lot. There's a nice island over there and it's fun, but we're having fun and that's what matters. You know, people think that you can't enjoy Jamaica, you need a big spending money to enjoy. Well, we can come to free beach sometimes, a cheap beach. Yeah, we're going to Conoco Falls tomorrow, so I know that's going to be a big payment. Well, not so much because I think it's $1,500 to go in, but every time we look, we think that we have to spend big to come here or to enjoy yourself. You can enjoy yourself with freeness, especially if you live near or you have somebody that's near. So people, if you're in Jamaica, find some time to come and enjoy yourself. I mean, look at this is gorgeous. This summer, take it from Auntie Shan, come and enjoy yourself. Take it from Sacha Shan, come and enjoy. Ooh, look at that little baby. I'm not supposed to be doing that, so I'm not be doing him. But she's so cute, he's so cute. But come and enjoy yourselves, guys. Come and enjoy yourself. Alright now, so peace out. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the vlog for the 2-day, the travel down and 2 days. So thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. You can see the type on my face, but I'm having fun, so that's what matters. Anyway, see you in day 3 and 4. Bye. Baby,